last Tuesday, we are somewhere around here. So I talk about that S&P 500 is probably oversold, and we definitely see this kind of the impulsive movement. And I tend to expect a relief rally. So here we go. This is a relief rally, and the most important thing is, where did it stop? Okay, so here's the axis line. The previous support once is broken become resistance. So it's just stopped right at the axis line. So this become a good place to go short. So this is actually a good entry. So if it can approach somewhere around here, let me see whether I think it's 3900 to probably 3920. So somewhere around 3920 to probably 3900. So somewhere around the area, if there is a reaction of the area, I think it could provide some great reward to risk. So it means that your risk would be probably somewhere around here. So this is your risk if you short somewhere around here, the area, and your reward at least is at the swing low. So at least is here. So at the moment, I would say that is probably is get stuck within the axis line here and here. So it might just probably range by a little bit. One of the analog that we could refer to is probably somewhere around here. So something like this, get stuck within the trading range, or get stuck within trading range like this. So at the moment is probably going to consolidate a little bit within the area. And I believe that we are still in the down leg. So the swing is still down. So if we look at this immediate up channel has been broken. So the up channel has been broken. So this is the start of the downswing. So we are still in a downswing. So this is the impulsive wave down. That's corrective up. So we want to wait for a good time somewhere around here, go short. Otherwise, we might want to wait for somewhere around here to scale in at another position to probably, I think next level could be somewhere around 37, and then to go back to test a low 36. And also we got some tail right here. Okay, so short term, I will say that is probably going to have another attempt to rally. So we already see that this is oversold, and I'll have a rally, and this bar right here found some demand. So look at this. There's increasing of the volume and also demand tail despite this a bearish bar, and that's happened right at the axis level, axis line. So there's definitely some demand, or the buy on the dip buyers show up right here. So it could probably have another attempt to test the axis line. Okay, so at least short term is going to bounce like this. So let's just wait for the interaction at this level, 3900 to about 3920. And if there's a reversal of the level, then definitely is a good chance to go short. With the immediate TP is here, 3800. And for the slightly longer term perspective, swing term is still going down. So I still expect the swing is going down, coming around here. And longer term is still within this big trading range. Okay, so this big trading range probably might turn out to be a redistribution. So we want to see if it's just going to go down, break down. We want to see what happened at this support level. So this is very important. So until we reach there, so far I think short term is still going to be here, and more likely to go down, break down, and then going to test the lower target. So if we just want to say this trading range, I have a bias to the downside. So because although we find that there is certainly uptrust right here, so showing some strength, but look at this down wave. So this down wave is a lot stronger than the up wave. So in terms of the supply as well, and in terms of the impulsiveness with a lot of the bearish bar, uh, also you can see that it's very widespread bearish bar, choppy. So all this pointed to a lot more bearishness for this impulsive downswing compared to the upswing. And when we have the amazing uptrend since October low, so since this low right here, look at this, it's not that vibrant. So if we just base on the swing by swing analysis, this swing right here is not as great as this swing. So that's why I find that when we have the breakdown happen, so this is the breakdown, it comes with increasing of the supply, with the uptrust, with the overbought, overthrow. So all this also pointed to another start of the downswing. So here we go. The downswing is just in progress, still unfolding. So right now it still painted a bearish picture to me. Okay, but I still do not want to rule out that well, could it be a accumulation? Well, it could be. So that's why we really want to see how he actually interact right at this level, right at the support level, because this is where the buyer will show up naturally. So right now for short term, I think it's probably going to bounce up a little bit right here, and then to tend to consolidate a bit, and then eventually to break down and then to go down. So still a downward bias. If you want to catch my latest videos, click on the subscribe button and the bell right now so that you get instant notification once I upload my latest video. If you want to check out my online courses, go to tradeprecise.com to find out how to profit consistently from any market without using complex indicator or understanding any financial statement, no matter you are trading or investing.